Number 1. 1999 Dodge Dakota. Price $7,000.
It has an automatic transmission, a 125,700-mile odometer reading, and runs on gasoline. The black exterior is a 9 out of 10 with no fading or clear coat peeling, while the gray interior is clean and smoke-free.
It comes with a tonneau cover, a bed mat, and tires with about 90% tread remaining.
The truck is mostly original, except for several replaced parts. Included in the full purchase price is an extra 5.9L engine with a mild cam and an additional set of high-quality EQ heads. The extra engine has about 10,000 miles on a reseal and cylinder hone and was intended for a swap while the original engine was being built into a 408-stroker, though the project was never completed. Many components have been replaced, including the front and rear brakes, A-arms, sway bar bushings, timing belt, thermostat, water pump, hoses, spark plugs and wires, distributor cap, ignition coil, and all electronics in the 46RE transmission, which has also received new fluid and filters. The rear differential oil has been changed, and a new dual exhaust system has been installed. The truck runs well, though the check engine light is on due to the downstream O2 sensor needing a bung and remounting, which does not affect performance. There are also 2 minor spots under the paint, each about the size of a penny.
Number 2. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500. Price $8,500.
With 98,000 miles, automatic transmission, and a blue exterior and interior. It has a clean title and was purchased a few months ago from the original owner as a daily driver. A full Carfax report is available. Upgrades include a RetroSound Santa Cruz MB4 head unit, Kicker 10-inch sub, Harmony HA 400 amp, and Kicker 4x6 DS speakers, all wired with a Harmony 4-gauge kit and sound deadening for better audio quality. Maintenance includes new rear brake lines, a rear differential flush with a new Felpro gasket and cover, a new gas tank, fuel pump, and fuel lines.
The transmission has a new Jegs deep pan, fresh Redline D6 ATF, and a fluid flush.
The truck also has new OER cab mounts, rust buster cab mount brackets, and a new battery.
A well-maintained classic with thoughtful upgrades, ready to be a reliable daily driver. Number 3. 1989 Ford F350. Price $4,900.
With approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The exterior is finished in a bold red color, complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a striking and timeless look. This particular model is a 1988 Ford F350 dually 2WD single cab. It starts up without issue and runs and drives reasonably well, though it does require some work to be in optimal condition. The truck is equipped with a functioning heating system, making it suitable for colder weather. It also features dual fuel tanks for extended driving range. The tires still retain about 65% of their tread, offering decent road grip. Additionally, it comes with a clean Illinois title, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a classic work truck with potential.
Number 4. 1988 GMC S15. Price $4,000.
With 97,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and is powered by a 2.5L Iron Duke 4-cylinder engine. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is brown, giving it a classic look.
Running on gasoline, this truck is known for being fuel efficient and smooth to drive.
It has been upgraded with new tires, shocks, a head unit, door speakers, and a subwoofer, enhancing both performance and comfort. The frame has been coated, and while there are some minor rust spots, it is not rusted out. One known issue is that it occasionally blows its ECMB fuse, but it remains drivable, and a supply of extra fuses is included. Additionally, the truck comes with extra parts.
Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 2500. Price $3,500. Equipped with a 6.2L Detroit diesel engine and features a long bed.
With 121,000 miles on the odometer, this truck comes with an automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system that functions properly. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior is gray. It runs and drives smoothly, though it does have rust in the usual areas.
Previously used on a farm, the truck has a few dents from regular use. The headliner has been removed due to sagging, and the RPM gauge is non-functional, while the fuel gauge is not always accurate. Additionally, like many 6.2L Detroit diesel engines, it does have a slow fluid drip. Number 6. 1985 Chevrolet 1500. Price $8,000.
Features an automatic transmission and a sleek black exterior. Powered by a 350ci engine with a turbo 350 transmission, it has been upgraded with a comp cams kit, a Holley 650 double pumper carburetor, an Edelbrock air gap intake, and Hedman long tube headers flowing into Flowmaster 40 series mufflers. The suspension includes Bilstein shocks, with a 2-inch front drop and a 4-inch rear drop, while American Racing 20-inch wheels, 8-inch front, 10-inch rear, give it a bold stance. Inside, it has an all-new dashboard with fully functional power windows, wing windows, and gauges. The original rubber flooring was removed, leaving a bare metal floor with minor imperfections.
The bench seat has been reupholstered with durable boat upholstery. Number 7. 1976 Ford F150. Price $7,000. This is a solid two-wheel drive truck from Texas with 117,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior. It has some blemishes inside and out, giving it a classic patina. The interior is mostly in good shape, though the headliner is missing with all trim included. The steering wheel cover has fallen off, and the dashboard has a couple of cracks. The wiring for the new gauges could also use some tidying up. Powering the truck is a rebuilt 460 engine with approximately 1,200 miles, producing around 450 horsepower. It was built by a retired drag car engine builder in Granville. The original motor, which ran well but had a small oil leak, is included along with all removed parts. The truck runs and drives regularly but could use some cosmetic work for a fresher look. Number 8. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. With 140,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a bold black exterior with a red interior. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 SBC 350 engine, it offers both power and durability. Hot heat and cold air conditioning ensure comfort in any weather. It has received extensive maintenance, including a new transmission, steering components, control arms, and a steering gearbox. The braking system has been fully updated with new front pads, calipers, rear drums, shoes, cylinders, and stainless steel lines. A new water pump was installed 2 months ago, and the truck rides on new front and rear shocks. Number 9. 1993 Ford F150, price $5,500. Equipped with a powerful 5.8L 351 Windsor engine, delivering solid performance on the road. It drives smoothly, though it shifts a bit hard when reversing. The truck has a small transfer case leak, requiring occasional fluid top-ups for the four-wheel drive to function properly. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are fully operational, ensuring comfort in all seasons. While the windshield washer motor needs replacement, the truck remains reliable overall. There is a minor windshield leak due to missing trim, and the gas gauges are not entirely accurate. Additionally, the door requires new weather stripping. Occasionally, when coming to a stop sign with the AC or heater running, the engine may stall. Number 10. 1977 Ford F150. Price $10,000. It has 106,000 miles, a manual transmission, and a blue exterior. Powered by the Ford 300 straight-six with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and a 2x4 drivetrain, it runs and drives but is sold as is. Recent upgrades include a new radio, battery, carburetor, heater core and blower, rebuilt rear differential, front brake rotors, and wheel bearings. Not a show truck, it has some dents, rust, and a minor oil leak, but it turns heads and gets compliments on the road. With a solid frame and good tire tread, it remains a reliable classic.